Welcome everyone to my new video. So today's video is going to be about Microsoft Excel. So you're going to know what Microsoft Excel is all about. Yes. So Microsoft Excel, can open it and it will display like this. So open a blank workbook. Yeah. So Microsoft Excel has what we call a workbook. What is a workbook? A workbook is just a collection of many worksheets. For example, this one you're seeing at my desktop here is the worksheet. This is a worksheet. Okay. And now when I get these worksheets and I combine them, I come up with a workbook. Yes. So in a worksheet, as you see at the top here, you have these letters, alphabetical letters from A. They continue to Z. Then after reaching Z, they go to A, B. So they keep on up to till when they reach ZZ. Yeah, so that's how they that's how the top is arranged. It's arranged alphabetically. Then this side, on the left hand side, we have numbers from 1 up to, yeah, up to down there. There are many numbers. They keep on running. They continue. So that's it. Yeah. So this is the worksheet. As I've told, it's sheet 1, and you can keep on adding many sheets as you want. You can add sheets as you want down here. Okay, now I've added another sheet 2. Yeah, so that's it. So another thing we are going to talk about is that in this worksheet we have what we call as you see, it's made up of columns. These are columns. Yes, these vertical lines, and you have also the rows. Yes, so these lines you see. Yeah, so these rows and columns, they meet, and when they meet, they form what we call a cell. So these boxes are called cells. The boxes you see, they are formed as a result of columns intersecting with rows. So they form these cells. And these cells have names. For example, when you tap on this cell, it becomes activated. So it becomes the active cell. What is an active cell? An active cell is that cell with this green boundary. Yes, that cell with a green boundary. And it has a name. For example, this one, to get its name, you look at the top, the alphabetical letter which corresponds to it, which is C. Then also look at on the left hand side, you see the letter that corresponds to it, the number. So it becomes cell C3. And it's indicated here in this box, the name box. This is called a name box. Yeah, this is a name box. So you can adjust the size of the name box as you want. Yeah, so if you keep on tapping on any cell you want, it becomes active. When the moment you see this green boundary, it becomes an active cell, and here its name is given here. The name box, yeah, you can see its cell name or the cell reference. So the cell reference here is F5. Yes. So here is the name box. So here is the formula bar. Here the formulas will be written. Once you write the formula, it will be indicated in this box. Yes. So another thing about Microsoft Excel, we have what we call formulas and functions. Yes, we have what we call formulas and functions. So what is a formula? A formula is basically that, for example, For example, addition. You add, um, maybe you want to get the total, so you keep on adding those numbers in particular cells to come up with the total. So for example, you have a number in maybe cell A1, A2, A3, maybe up to A7, and you also have here numbers. So you can can add them and come up with the total. So you can come up with a formula, and you also have functions. You also have functions, and these ones are basically they are inbuilt. Yes, they are inbuilt, and in these ones you can get the average, the sum, yeah, as you see here. So those are functions. So in the other video we shall see how to use the functions to get the total, average, the positions, and all that. So basically that's all about introduction to Microsoft Excel. And this app is usually used to create reports. It's an app that can be used to create maybe budgets. You can also use it to create charts. You can create pie charts. You can create tables, as you see here. You can create charts of all sorts, maybe bar graphs, the line graphs, the pie charts. So it depends on what you like. And there are many other bunch of stuffs you can do this app. You can insert a picture from your device or an online picture. Yeah. So I think that's a good introduction to Microsoft Excel. See you in the other video as we dive into creating a report, creating tables, using functions to come up with the total, to come up with the average, to come up with the positions, a comment, yeah, and all that. So thank you so much. See you in the other video.